Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is very exciting because not only am I showing you one look, your girl is giving you two looks today using the Jackie Aina palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a gorgeous palette. It is just very versatile, so I wanted to show that versatility in today's video. So today I'll be giving you this bold look, and then I'm also going to show you a more natural look. If you want to see how we get this look and another look, please keep on watching. So since today we're going bold thanks to Miss Jackie Aina, I'm going to take Supreme, this girl right here, and I'm gonna use that as my transition shade. I'm going to deepen the crease now using Pinker. I'm like terrified but excited at the same time. This is way out of my comfort zone, but I'm so excited right now. I'm going to now dip in Big Wig. Okay, so I'm gonna wet my brush with some setting spray. This is Urban Decay All Nighter. Let's dip into Shookington. Wait, oh my gosh. I am literally Shookington. Wow, that's really pretty. I kind of want to pop the middle more. And so I'm looking at Trust Issues. So I'm going to take just my pinky into Trust Issues. Ooh, ladies and gentlemen, I think we're on to something. Oh my gosh, wow. I am so, I don't even know. I can't, like, I keep saying excited because that's the only word that comes to mind, but I am excited. This is such a pretty eye look. Holy crap. Okay. So I'm going to do the under eye and probably gonna take Pinker and Big Wig. Okay, I feel like my under eye is always a challenge just because I have really small eyes, and so I never know how much to put underneath my eyes because I feel like a lot of times I feel like I'm doing enough, and then I take pictures and I'm like, dang, did I really even do anything at all? I don't know. So I hope this works. It's definitely a lot more than I usually do. So I'm gonna do mascara. I feel like I can amp this up a little bit. It's already a bold, dramatic look, so I'm thinking about attempting is in its truest sense here to put lashes on because I feel like Auntie Jackie deserves it. I want to lay down some liner. We're gonna see how the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil goes first. So I'm gonna take a flat definer brush and just smudge that a little bit. I think that works. So the biggest reason why you want to do your liner before your mascara is like what happens is that it kind of like smushes them together, kind of ruins the work that you did. So I'm just going to go in with a little bit more just to get that definition and shape back into them and make them look nicer. All right, so now we've prepped our lashes and our eyeliner for fake lashes. Once again, I don't trust myself just yet to just be able to pop them on real quick, so I'm gonna do that off camera, and hopefully I come back with some false lashes on. Okay, I'm back, and 2 for 2, I managed to get some lashes on. These are some of the more like dramatic eyelashes that I own anyway. They are from, here's like the banged up packaging, but they are from Sephora collection, these Lash Stories, and this style is Roll With It. They're very affordable. I really like them for what it's worth. Again, I don't really wear false lashes a lot. I think these are a really cute style, and I think they fit this look very well. It handles all of the eyeshadow and stuff, so yay! I am so excited. Oh, last but not least, before I forget, the Jackie Aina signature, the inner corner highlight, which I totally get. I love an inner corner highlight as well. So I'm gonna go back in with Trust Issues, since that has worked well for us so far. And I'm just gonna take my pinky. This is one of my favorite things to do. I'm officially in love. Maybe I'm a converted bold eye girl now. This is so gorgeous. I hope you guys are loving it so far. So I did the rest of my face makeup, blush, contour, bronzer, highlight, whatever, all that shebang. So what's left is the lips, and I think it'd be fun to do a mauvey pinky lip with this look to kind of reinforce the pink tones that we got going on. So I'm going to be using some of these products from Carly Bybel's collection with Il Maquillage. We'll see which ones we choose, but I do want to start off with the more pinker liner. This is in Bible. Then I'm going to go in with the lipstick. This one's called Serious, and it's this really great mauve kind of nude color. I mean, you can just stop right here. This is gorgeous in and of itself, but I'm gonna add Luna in the middle of the lip. It's like this lighter, like truer nude. So it's very subtle, especially because I tapped it on rather than swipe, but like getting those fuller lips, or like that look of fuller lips, it really takes a lot of defining. So just contouring your lips, layering a bunch of products to give you that look. So you can just, again, be out the door like this. This is great. This is beautiful. But you know, your girl's always got to add a little bit of gloss, and this is one of the glosses from Carly's collection, and it's really pretty. It's like a duochrome, like purpley, I don't know, it's gorgeous. So I thought it'd be fun to use this one because of the pink and the purple that we got going on. So it gives you that duochrome juiciness that is just so unique. I love this lip collection. I honestly probably should get a backup because I love all the colors. So guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? We went there today. We went there with Miss Jackie Aina. And so this is the bold look that I promised, but I also promised a natural look. And so I hope you enjoy that right now. So guys, how did you enjoy the natural look? It is gorgeous, right? Which one do you like better, the natural or the bold look from today's video? Let me know in the comment section below which one you like better. I hope you enjoyed both looks today. If you did, give me a thumbs up. leave me a comment below with a sweet message. I'd really enjoy, interacting with you guys. And if you want to see more videos from me, make sure you subscribe and click that notification bell if you don't want to miss out on when I upload a video. Until next time, guys, bye. Mildly terrified because I don't know where she's going. I don't even know where I'm going at this point. Am I gonna turn into a bold girl? So, trying to plan my next move. I'm just getting these crazy ideas from where, I don't know. Don't ask me, and don't ask me where that accent came from.